Beyond the horizon, unveiling India's secret shores. Did you know that India, with its expansive coastline, holds secrets beyond its bustling cities and iconic landmarks? These secrets are none other than its hidden beaches, pristine stretches of sand untouched by the crowds. Imagine turquoise waters lapping at the shore, whispering tales of a time long forgotten. Imagine golden sands kissed by the warmth of the sun, inviting you to truly unwind. This is the allure of India's secret beach paradises. Unveiling the misconception India's coastal gems. Many believe that India's beaches are limited to crowded tourist spots. They picture bustling markets, loud music, and a constant hum of activity. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Beyond the well-trodden paths lie hidden gems waiting to be discovered. These untouched havens offer a sanctuary for the soul, a chance to reconnect with nature's tranquil embrace. A tapestry of hidden beaches, from tranquility to adventure. From the serene shores of Gokarna in Karnataka, where the golden sands meet the azure waters, to the untouched beauty of Takali in Maharashtra. With its crystal clear waters and pristine surroundings, India's hidden beaches offer something for everyone. Whether you seek solitude or adventure, these beaches provide the perfect escape. Imagine yourself strolling along the black sand beaches of Varkala in Kerala, feeling the unique texture beneath your feet. The rhythmic crashing of waves, your only companion, creating a symphony of nature's music. Or picture yourself kayaking through the mangrove forests of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, navigating through the serene waterways where bioluminescent plankton illuminate the water at night, creating a magical glow that lights up the darkness. These hidden beaches are a testament to the diversity and untouched beauty that India's coastline holds. Each one offers a unique experience waiting to be discovered. My rendezvous with paradise, a beach called Serenity. This place is more than just a destination, it's a feeling, a state of mind. I vividly remember my first encounter with one such hidden beach in Tamil Nadu. It was a discovery that felt like stumbling upon a well-kept secret. Nestled between towering cliffs and lush vegetation, it was a slice of paradise untouched by time. The natural beauty was breathtaking, a perfect blend of land and sea. As I sat on the soft sand, the gentle sea breeze whispering secrets in my ear, I felt an overwhelming sense of peace. It was as if the beach was sharing its ancient wisdom with me. The only sounds were the rhythmic ebb and flow of the waves and the occasional call of a seabird. These sounds created a soothing symphony that calmed my soul. It was in that moment, surrounded by nature's symphony, that I truly understood the magic of India's hidden beaches. These places are sanctuaries where one can reconnect with nature and oneself. Unveiling your own paradise, a call to explore and share. Imagine the thrill of finding a place untouched by the masses, a sanctuary where you can truly be yourself. India's hidden beaches are a testament to the country's diverse and mesmerizing beauty. From the golden sands to the crystal clear waters, each beach tells a unique story of nature's artistry. They offer a chance to escape the ordinary, to reconnect with nature, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're seeking solitude or quality time with loved ones, these beaches provide the perfect backdrop. So why not embark on your own adventure? Pack your bags, gather your friends, and set out to discover these hidden gems. Discover the untouched beauty of India's coastline and unearth your own secret beach paradise. Feel the soft sand beneath your feet and the gentle waves lapping at the shore. And when you do, share your story. Let others know about the incredible places you've found and the adventures you've had. Let your experience inspire others to step off the beaten path and discover the magic that awaits. Your journey could be the spark that ignites someone else's passion for exploration. What hidden beach will you uncover? The world is full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Will you be the one to find them?